excavated to create 10 miles of a less meandering river and surrounded by 30-foot tall levees along both sides of the channel. Pumping stations were added behind the levee.
I love Grandpa because when he took me fishing, we used fishing rods and we caught fish sometimes. We saw minnows and we had a really good time. And going canoeing, we actually did that.
Where'd you go canoeing?
We didn't.
Kayaking?
Yes,
you were kayaking in Georgia?
Yeah, I loved the kayaking in the boat, and I never thought to have a long time to do kayaking because Grandpa said we had to go back to sleep because our boat breaks down into the one boat. So we just had to went back to the boat because it was raining. Grandpa said, "Let's go back to the boat if it's fixed." So we did, but it wasn't, and they just pulled it. They even drive it, but Grandma said if you drive, it will go the water distance. So I don't choose if I turned the wheel or do the water distance. So I kept moving and turned the water distance. I miss him the most about Grandpa because I love him. I love Grandpa because he's a good storyteller and he's so nice to me. And Grandma tells me great stories in the pool, and sometimes Grandma swims with me, and Grandma does too. You love me. I love you.
Let's see, if Grandpa was here right now, what would you say to him?
I want you to sing a song to me. Happy birthday! Ava, come back here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless Grandpa. May the dear Lord bless you. Happy birthday, Grandpa. Happy birthday, Grandpa.